A round pizza in a square box isn't a packaging flaw. It's a masterclass in structural stress distribution. Let's measure it. You're looking at a geometry paradox that has been stress testing your kitchen counter since 1995. The circle in a square complaint is a classic edge case. People see wasted space. I see a legacy system optimized for throughput. You want to talk about an efficiency? Try shipping a rigid disk in a rigid circle container. It collapses. Instant latency. Zero structural integrity. Let's autopsy the cardboard. It's not just paper, it's corrugated. That means fluting. Corrugated medium creates a vertical lattice. Vertical lattice resists shear forces. Square boxes maximize flat load-bearing surfaces. Circles, they roll, they buckle. They fail the stress test every time. Thermal efficiency. This is where the circle haters hit a wall. Square corners trap a boundary layer of superheated air. That air acts as an insulating buffer. A circular box, no corners, no buffer. Your cheese hits thermal equilibrium with the outside world in under 2 minutes. Cold, sad, unacceptable, pressure distribution. Think of the pizza as a pressurized vessel. Steam expands, it pushes outward. Square panels distribute that radial force evenly across 4 flat planes. Circular panels concentrate stress at the apex. You want a box to explode. Design a circle. You want a box to hold. Design a square. Let's talk manufacturing latency. Square boxes are die-cut from massive parent sheets. Zero waste. Maximum yield. Circular die cuts, they leave triangular scrap piles. That's material waste. That's supply chain latency. That's a skill issue on the factory floor. Stacking, logistics. The real boss battle. Square boxes interlock. They create a stable matrix. Circular boxes, they roll off pallets. They create friction anomalies. You want your pizza to survive the delivery driver's van. You need orthogonal geometry. It's physics. Deal with it. The corner gap, the holy grail of the critics. They call it wasted space. I call it a structural vent. It allows steam to escape without warping the load-bearing walls. Close those corners. You get soggy cardboard. You get structural fatigue. You get a collapsed delivery. Let's refactor the narrative. Square boxes aren't inefficient. They are a legacy architecture that actually scales. You're complaining about geometry while your actual structural load path is completely unoptimized. Refactor your thinking. The data doesn't lie. You want a circle box. Fine. Reinforce it with steel bands. Add thermal insulation layers. Double the manufacturing cost. Triple the delivery time. Congratulations. You just designed a cardboard coffin. A square box is the only engineering choice that respects thermodynamics and logistics. This isn't about pizza. It's about respecting the material. Corrugated fiberboard has limits. Square geometry respects those limits. Circular geometry mocks them. If your box can't handle radial pressure, your design is fundamentally broken. Patch your code or buy a square box. The verdict is in. Square boxes win. Stress distribution, optimized. Thermal latency, managed. Manufacturing yield, maximized. If you're still crying over corner space, you're failing the structural integrity exam. Drop your hottest take in the comments. Prove me wrong, or just order another pizza.